Alright, and this is 61 Hunter. I guess I don't get a level up message for that. Maybe we didn't unlock anything. But the Hunter levels are actually going pretty quick. So I'll have to come back to this at some point. This is pretty fun. I don't really need Hunter for anything right now. I do need 70 Hunter at some point for doing a quest or something, I think. So we'll definitely be back to Hunter rumors, but for now, like I said, I'm just gonna go to 10. Overall, I'm really enjoying this activity though. Like this is such a cool like little mini game, being able to break up your grind and not just catch the same animal for hours and hours on end. All right, we just got it. That was 63, so we didn't go very dry, unfortunately, but that's okay. We'll get another few chins here, maybe two more. So that was pretty good, and I mean, look, we're already like the chins are worth. Oh, don't attack it! Don't. Oh, God, okay. The chins are worth so much. Like the 200 XP each is like really good. So that definitely goes pretty quick. Overall, like I said, I'm really enjoying this hunter rumor thing, but it's way more enjoyable when you're catching something that's like useful, like chins, and gives really good XP, as opposed to just catching like swamp lizards or whatever random little creatures. But for the most part, it goes pretty quick. I mean, even the slow ones, I feel like it's the slowest one I've done so far. Probably the butterflies was the slowest one I've done, and that only took like 15 minutes. So they are really quick. Having a lot of fun, and yeah, let's see. What is this gonna be? 9. So we're gonna do one more after this, and then we're gonna go do the quest to kill the Frost Nagua thing. Got Oh, another Horned Grok one. Okay, so we'll go do Horned Groks, and then we'll be done with this. Alright, so we are handing in our final one. I'm not going to get another. um, Sorry, nothing I can do about that. So, look at that. We've got. Oh, wait, no, I would actually like it. Sorry, I was just clicking continue. Yeah, I would like the free whistle blueprint, please. So we've got that now. That'll help us get back here in the future. Craft. You need willow logs. I think I have some willow logs. So let's go. Let's open this hunter's loot sack. We got 2 Quetzal feed. Let's go, dude. All right, we're up to 3. So it's pretty big. Let me grab a log. Yes, we do have some willow logs. So now can I craft it? Yes, there is our basic Quetzal whistle, which I believe can be recharged. If I check it here, it has 0 charges remaining. So if I give it some of this, get the raw kiat in here. I have sunfire antler meat or whatever the fuck it's called in here somewhere. Nope, that's cooked rabbit. Okay, well where the hell would it be then? Oh, here it is. It's in here for some reason. Alright, so we'll put some raw sunlight antelope into this thing. This with a filled butterfly jar. What? What? You need to combine this with a filled butterfly jar using a pestle and mortar. Okay, we'll figure that out later. That's insane. So now we're gonna go do this quest. We're gonna go do. Oh, wait, no, I want to make sure I'm on Okay, yeah. Wait, where the fuck are you going, dude? We're gonna go do this quest. Okay, there it is. Weird quest. I didn't care for the boss fight. It wasn't. The mechanics weren't very fun for me. But we get a little bit of mining XP, thieving XP, Slayer XP, Agility XP, whoop whoop. But most importantly, access to Tapo Yaoi Yuik, or however you say it, to be able to kill a Frost Nagua, which is what we need to do in order to get the quest completion done. Not the quest completion. Fuck the fucking. You know what I'm talking about, man. I don't know, dude. Who knows what I'm talking about, dude? I'm dumb, dude. Okie dokie, here we are killing the Frost Nagua. Um, it's not that hard actually. It seems like they just throw mage attacks at you. I'm blocking mage, so I'm not taking any damage. And we're gonna. Oh, wait. I probably should avoid that, I would imagine. Okay, so they have a special attack then. Interesting. This is fun. Whatever. Alright, there's our next elite clue scroll. He also dropped 13 coal, which was pretty cool. Ooh. Okay, I don't think we're going to be able to do that. Oh, let's. Okay, we have done it. We have attained the elite clue scroll casket. I don't know. I think we've probably done one of these. I don't know if we've done more than that. Let's check real quick how many we've gotten. Clues, elite treasure trails. We have completed one clue, no uniques. Anything we pull out of this that's a unique is good for us. Let's see what we get. Oh my god, it's a mimic. Hell yes, dude. Oh my god. Okay, let me look up. I've never fought the mimic on any account, so I'm really excited for this. Okay, so here's how we're going to be doing it. We're going to be going in with our melee setup with the dragon dagger. We're then going to switch into mage after we spec out the thing with the dragon dagger, and we will mage the rest of the kill. He throws sweets that we have to avoid. If he steps on us, we take damage. And what was the other thing? Oh, and then he just melee attacks. Yeah, so we're just going to ignore the things he spawns, not let him step on us, and avoid the sweets he throws, and we'll be good. Okay, I managed to beat it. You can see I have 5 fucking HP left, dude. It is like mostly luck. God, that's fucking aggravating, dude. Why is that? I'm like so mad now, dude. I'm not even like happy about fucking beating the mimic. That was so fucking aggravating, dude. Cool, thanks. Fuck. Alright, first time doing Tears of Gothics in like forever. 199. Unfortunately, we didn't quite hit 200 there, but that's 12,000 construction XP, so there we go. Alright, we've got some dead strawberries in the farming guild that I need for a contract, so I'm gonna go switch over to the lunar spellbook and try to resurrect them. It's no big deal, obviously, I can just play them more, but I'd like to just get that contract done real quick. And whenever you change to lunar spellbook, you always have to bring the runes with you to runecraft while you do it, so... No, don't drop it. What the fuck? Oh my god, I lost the essence in it, dude. Oh, you piece of shit. Alright, well, we got 26 astrals. That's weird. Why did I think that was... I think I was thinking of, Cure Plant. I think that's what I was thinking of. But I'm on the wrong spellbook, so we're gonna go get on the right one now. Wait, no. I think it's better to do this. And of course I need 12 nature runes for that. I was just at Lunar Isle with Baba Yaga too, so god damn it. Alright, well, I'll figure that out, I guess. Alright, we're just gonna hop worlds here for a little bit. I don't know how much money I have left compared to like how much it'll cost to buy this stuff, but I think we're just gonna try to get like roughly 1,000 nature runes because I am completely out. And I have like a decent amount of stuff to alch actually. I just can't afford to alch it. So it's not going to get me the money back for this, but you know, just having the natures on hand so I can actually alch things will be really useful. So, and I'm buying the astrals while I do this. I have 5,000 roughly, so I still need like another 4,000 to be able to turn all the teaks into planks anyway. Of course, all the worlds are out of astrals, but I get a couple. You know, it's always like this. Natures are usually in stock, astrals usually aren't. Alright, we're running over here now to try to resurrect these crops. I got hopping worlds to get 1,000 actually left me one short of world 324, which is me and Matt's home world. So I hopped to 324 and bottom 2. I managed to get almost like half the amount of astrals that you know what I mean. It was more astrals than I thought, but it is 8 o'clock in the morning, so that makes sense. Alright, so let's put this crap away. I can wield these again, and then I need, let's see, I need natures, earths, souls, and astrals, I think. Is that right? I don't think I need astrals. I think that's wrong. I need bloods. Okay. Weird because plants don't have blood, but I'll, you know, whatever. I'll take it. That's fine. And it is expensive. Look at that. 25 earth runes. That's crazy. 8 souls, 8 bloods. Okay. So let's cast that and see if it works. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Alright, so these are at 6 of 7, so they'll grow soon. I am just like on the Arceus spellbook now, so that's a weird, but Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I didn't think about this. Matt made me a dragon necklace for a clue scroll step on that elite clue, but I can enchant this and I'll have a skills necklace. So let's go do that. I think I need. I don't know what. I don't know what I need. Just give me all the runes. Just give me all of them. Just give me all the runes. We're going to go enchant this. Just give me all my runes. I just need to go get off of this spell book real quick. That'll give the strawberries time to grow too. Alright, there we go. I actually got the glory recharged as well, so that's 4 uses on our skills necklace. I still have another 30 Dragonstone recharge scrolls too, so it's really saving myself some trips to the Fountain of Ruin right now, which is nice. But yeah, now we can teleport straight to the farming guild, and that'll make my life a lot easier. So what I think I'm going to do now, because I'm doing the allotment runs, the herb runs, the tree runs, the fruit tree runs, the hops runs, the bush runs, right? Plus, I should probably be doing the special patches like the mushrooms and the cactus. I think I'm going to go through. I have an inventory set up for my iron farm runs, but I'm going to make like an iron herb run, an iron tree run, an iron fruit tree run, you know what I mean? And that way I can just grab the like teleports and stuff that I need out and use that as opposed to having to go get them every time. So I'm going to spend some time sorting out my inventory and figuring out exactly what I need to have here, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks when I figure it out. Okay, I just alked a bunch of stuff in the bank real quick, and I actually made almost enough money to replace the money I spent on the runes, so that's pretty cool. And we still have 984 left, so that's what I meant when I said I had a lot of stuff to alk. The only thing I'm not doing is these random amulets and stuff that I have, because I think they might be worth more if I enchant them, and even if they're not, I'll get double the magic XP if I enchant them first, so I'll probably just save those for now. Um, and yeah, I'm going to get back to what I was doing before I got distracted with my little peanut brain. Alright, 66 farming. Nothing unlocked with that level, but one more towards, I don't know, I don't even know what we're going for. Alright, there's 67 on the mahogany trees. We can grow cadentine now. Okay, gang, I have bad news. Man, this really sucks. I have to go to Tithe Farm. Doing this Slayer has made me realize I'm really missing out by not having the herb sack and not having the seed box. The only issue with that is that if I'm doing Tithe Farm and I'm starting to do Tithe runs, I'm also going to need the farming outfit. So it's going to be basically time to green log Tithe Farm. We've got the auto weed and we've got the Gricoler's can. So we need to get the rest of it. We'll go ahead and green log that place. God, that sucks. I really don't want to have to go do it. I don't mind Tithe Farm. It's just time consuming. And it's like it's one of those things where it's like you got to really just sit there and do it. So, not looking forward to that, but it'll be alright. Get a bunch of farming XP. And then the other thing I'm going to do is go to LMS and attempt to scrape together enough points for a rune pouch. I don't know how to PvP. I'm going to get my ass handed to me, but I really need the rune pouch as well. Having 5 slots taken up in my inventory with all the runes is maybe even more sometimes is really fucking obnoxious, so I have to get those runes in the pouch. So that's what we're going to be doing before we go back to Mage Slayer. Yeah, I need that stuff pronto. Alright, we finished our farm run. I'm about to go to Tithe Farm. I'm just doing I'm quickly setting up for our next contract. We just finished the one contract. I'm setting up the next one. We hit 68. That is palm trees and double U roots, which is nice. We don't have any U trees to grow, but we do have some palms, I believe. I might not have been able to make them saplings before. Let's go check it out. So that'll be nice. Let me just quickly dump off this stuff on the leprechaun. Here you go, big guy. All right, we'll run over here. First potato cactus on the account too. Those are going straight to Matt for herblore. And let's see here. Yeah, so I've got 6 palm tree seeds, so I can do a full run with them. That'll be nice. And then I can't get in there yet, so I don't really need to worry about that. But go ahead and put into the group storage our irrits, potato cactus, and unicorn horn. This is all for Matt. You can see I'm filling this up with herbivore supplies here. We'll start a second row, I guess. That way it's not so clumpy. There we go. And yeah, here's our 9. We need, I believe, 10 more dragon stones to have enough to make the jewelry box once I get the construction level for it. And Matt said he has a way to get some more. I don't know what he's planning, but that'll be nice. And yeah, that's that done for now. So we're just gonna head over to Tithe Farm and start grinding that out. That's gonna take a nice long fucking time. Grab our seed dibber, grab our spade. I think that's all we need. Pretty sure. I don't know, it's been a while since I've done it. I do have a dueling ring on me so I can get out of there. I can't minigame teleport for another minute though, so I'm gonna go use the bathroom and then we'll head over. Okay, so here we are. Oh, they changed this interface, look at that. Here we are at Tithe Farm. We have this, we have this. Oh wait. I can just refill it. Contains farmer. Buy this to recharge your can to full. It costs 0 points. Did I do it? Alright, whatever. So we want the herb sack for 250, the seed box for 250. Oh, you can get seed packs here now too. Interesting. Okay, they've changed this up a little bit. And then we want the outfit. 75, 125, 150, and 50. So it's going to be 400 points total for that. And then these two are 500 together. So we need 900 points. We've got 43, which not super helpful, but that's okay. So we'll get the outfit first so that we're gaining more XP while we're doing the minigame. And then we'll get these two. And then contains a selection of random seeds. Let's look that up and see. I mean, I've gotten the herb box before, and then the grape seed. There's something you can do in the vinery that I want to check out. I don't think it's like related to this, but I do want to check that out. So let's see. Tithe Farm. The rewards. I want to look at, what am I looking at here? Reward shop. The seed pack. Oh, so it's the same seed pack. Interesting. Okay. Tithe Farmer equivalent to a tier 3 pack with the addition of white lily seeds. Okay, interesting. So we do get a high tier reward roll on a tier 3 pack plus the white lily seeds. So the low seeds, yeah, okay, the medium seeds, yeah, okay, those are pretty decent. And then the high tier seeds, you don't always get a roll on it, but when you do, they're pretty good. Yeah, look at this shit, dude. Good shit, good shit. Okay. Alright. So, yeah, we'll have to consider that, I guess. Maybe if we have some points left over, or I don't know. We'll see. Oh, yeah, you're right. I do need the seeds, big guy. You're right. You're right. Just give me all of them. And so yeah, we'll just do this for a little while. I don't mind doing it, so it's not that big a deal. Okay, so after doing some math, it looks like it's going to take us roughly 7 hours of Tithe Farm to get the 20 more games that we need done in order to unlock the higher tier of fruit. And then from there, like a couple more hours until we get all the points we need. It should go a little quicker. I'm not going to bother doing the math because I don't know the point rate for the higher tier plant. So, but that's not bad. 6-7 hours is pretty doable for sure. I might be able to get it done today, but I really feel like playing some Hell Let Loose. So I'm going to go play Hell Let Loose right now, I think. And then I'll come back to it and we'll see like where I get to. So. Alright, we got a quick level before work. That is 69. We get quadruple maple roots now. Alright, another game of Tithe Farm done in the morning before work. We got the boots and the trousers unlocked. And we We've got 8 points left, so we need 75 and 150 for the rest of the outfit.